Are you in need of top-notch reverse engineering services in Lajpat Nagar, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to provide you with exceptional solutions. With their expertise in reverse engineering, Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a leading provider of these services in the region. Their team of skilled professionals is dedicated to delivering high-quality results that meet and exceed the expectations of their clients. Whether you need reverse engineering for product development, quality control, or any other purpose, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other companies offering reverse engineering services in Lajpat Nagar, Delhi NCR, is their commitment to excellence. They understand the importance of accuracy and precision in reverse engineering projects, and they strive to deliver nothing less than perfection. With state-of-the-art technology and advanced tools at their disposal, they are able to capture every detail of the original product and recreate it with utmost precision. This attention to detail ensures that the final result is an exact replica of the original, allowing for seamless integration and compatibility. The team at Scon Design India Private Ltd is not just highly skilled, but also passionate about what they do. They take pride in their ability to solve complex engineering problems and provide innovative solutions to their clients. Their dedication and enthusiasm are evident in the quality of their work, as well as their willingness to go above and beyond to meet the unique needs of each client. Whether you are a small startup or a large corporation, Scon Design India Private Ltd is committed to delivering exceptional results that drive your success. When it comes to reverse engineering services in Lajpat Nagar, Delhi NCR, Scon Design India Private Ltd is the name you can trust. Are you in need of top-notch reverse engineering services in Lajpat Nagar, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to provide you with the best solutions. With their expertise and experience, they are the go-to company for all your reverse engineering needs. Whether you need to recreate a product or analyze its design, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. Their team of skilled professionals will ensure that you receive accurate and high-quality results. So why wait? Contact Scon Design India Private Ltd today and experience the excellence of their reverse engineering services. Scon Design India Private Ltd takes pride in offering top-of-the-line reverse engineering services in Lajpat Nagar, Delhi NCR. With their state-of-the-art equipment and cutting-edge technology, they are able to provide precise and detailed results. Whether it's for industrial purposes or product development, their team of experts will deliver exceptional outcomes. By utilizing reverse engineering techniques, they can create CAD models, analyze product designs, and even optimize existing designs. Scon Design India Private Ltd truly understands the importance